I am trying to build the best budget PC I can. For the CPU, I chose a Ryzen 5 3600, but you can get around 445. For the graphics card, I picked the GTX 1080. I got this one used for around 100. The motherboard is an Asus Prime B450 Plus. This budget motherboard cost me 45 used. For the RAM, I got 16GB of HyperX Predator RAM, what I got for 45. It's more than you'll ever need. The power supply is an CX 650W modular RGB PSU from Corsair. All of this I got for a surprisingly cheap price, just €260. Tell me in the comments what you think, and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out.